Today we're installing an MJFX roof rack designed for the E-Z-GO T48 cart. Included in the bracket kit, the rear brackets and the front brackets, as well as a hardware pack. The roof rack is sold separately. To do this, we're going to use a 14mm socket, a 13mm wrench, and a cordless drill. Now let's get started. Remember to switch your key into the off position and engage your parking brake. To begin, we're going to remove but do not retain the factory bolt located on the driver's side of the strut. This holds the canopy down to the strut. There's also a spacer that you need to keep in place here. So take the bolt out. Before installing our front brackets, the easiest way to differentiate between the two is to place them both flat on a table to where they make this V shape. With the tabs pointing away from you, it would be the one on the left side of the V, here, which would be our driver's side bracket. Now we're going to take our driver's side bracket, place it on the top, and using the 8x65mm hardware included in your kit, we're going to attach it. You don't want to fully tighten this bracket yet until after we put the roof rack on. Then we're going to repeat this process on the other side. Moving to the rear of the cart, we're going to first take off the driver's side hardware from the rear strut and canopy, but leave the passenger side in place for now. Now we're going to use the 8x65mm hardware and attach our rear bracket to the driver's side first. Make sure to leave all of the brackets hand tightened for now. Now we can move to the passenger side of the bracket. The reason we kept the passenger side in place is to keep the canopy from shifting. Place your roof rack on top of your brackets. Now using your 8x40mm hardware, attach the rear of the roof rack to the rear bracket, but hand tighten. Now we're going to use the 8x40mm hardware remaining and attach the two front brackets. Once these are in place, we can go ahead and tighten all of our hardware. Once all your hardware is tightened, you're now finished installing your MJFX roof rack designed for an E-Z-GO T48.